So we've got this Cybernet Beta 3000, which the customer bought for a tenner off eBay. Got the original mic with it, and I've just formatted the memory card in this Sony camcorder. And the Sony camcorder has this bizarre question, and it says TV type. I haven't got a TV. There's no TV in the premises. I couldn't answer that question then, could I? What a strange thing. Right, go to Chippie channel, Mr. Mega Chippie, see whether he's out there. Make sure these are in the right position. Looks like it. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Alright, I'm recording.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now going round past Ancaster service station.
Roger got you going past Ancaster service station. Have we got a petrol price today?
Yeah, it's 191.9 up from 99.9.
Excellent, and that's for unleaded and diesel respectively.
Right, square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads. I love that phrase, square wheeled.
Right, we're now going over the top of the hill. Let's go down towards Wilford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill. For those interested, it's doing 1.2 amps on transmit for its full 4 watts.
And 21 from Chippie, now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. And I'm on a Cybernet Beta 3000 from 1981, and he's doing a full 4 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger diddly dodger.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. So that's the 3 mile point, and the whole idea of these test remember is to compare one set for another. I don't care an iota how far we get. If we did these tests and it was a really ropey bit down a cave 100 yards away, well, that would be a good fair comparison. So for those of you who don't watch every single one, we're using a fiberglass 18-foot dipole type arrangement without the optional ground plane kit. It's the GPA 99 or whatever it's called, and it's mounted just above gutter level on a single story building.
Right, now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. That's the 4 mile point. So when he gets to the next one, that's our worst one. It's surrounded by trees. When he gets to Greyleys, that's the worst one. Yeah, it's Antron 99. That's the kind of area it is.
Right, now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger got you going over Rossby Level Crossing, and hopefully you'll have a petrol price at the other petrol station.
Yeah, we've got a bit wiped out by something else there again.
What's that, something's in the way?
No, it's actually machinery very well. I'm not quite sure why.
No, well there you go, it's how it goes, different day. The question was petrol station price.
Well, that's what I was going to say, but there you go. So, yeah,
Right, okay. Right, well, we'll call it a day at that then, and I'll say 10:10.
That's roger that, 10:10.
Right, we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on that mic, and again I'll plug in our standard replacement mic for comparison. I'll also do the clear normal on both.
Tango 21, testing the Cybernet Beta 3000 into our RSCBHQ base station. This is with the factory original mic and with the speech processor switch in a normal position. This is the same mic with the radio in the clear position. This is back to the normal position. This is the standard replacement mic in the normal position. This is the standard replacement mic in the clear position. And this is the standard replacement mic back in the normal position. So there, thanks for watching.